Everyone thinks fridges break because they're old, but your fridge will stop working if you don't do this.
Did you know your refrigerator requires maintenance? If you're not doing this at least once a year, it may not be running as efficiently as you want it to. Back here behind the refrigerator, look at all this dust and dirt. On this fridge, there's 4 screws here and a cover. Behind this cover is the cooling fins, and that's what we want to get to clean those off. Now, you see all that dirt on these fins? That means that there's no airflow going through there, so your compressor has to work harder to keep the refrigerator cold. You'll want to use a vacuum attachment that's got the brushes attached to it so that you don't damage the fins. While we're here, I'm gonna get some paper towel and wipe down this fan.
But do you clean your fridge?